What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to another video. Today I got something really special for you because I'm going to show you how to make money with bots. That means you can almost completely automate what I'm going to share with you today. Now, I'm bringing in a good friend of mine, Chase Rayner, and if you guys know Chase, you probably noticed that him and I are doing a very similar strategy using YouTube Shorts. And that's what we're going to break down right now in this video, so stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? Chase Rayner here, and today we're going to be talking about how to use bots like these ones to earn money on autopilot. Now, I'm going to show you a system that I'm using to make over $100,000 per month, and I'm going to show you how I went from living in a garage making $0 to where I'm at now, where I've made over $1 million this year alone. Now, I don't say that to brag. I say that because I want you to know that it's possible. Wherever you're at, if you're in a situation where you've never made money online, this system that I'm about to show you is one of the best systems that I think you can get started with right now. Now, the way it works basically is we're using automation and bots like the ones you're seeing right here to basically find websites that we can contact while we sleep. We can build up a list of websites that we want to send messages to. And the cool thing about these bots is we're actually using them to send messages through a website's contact form rather than through an email. And the deliverability of these contact form bots is way higher because we're sending messages through their domain rather than our own. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry, stick to the end. I'm going to show you the full process step by step. But before I do want to mention that Paul and I put together a special deal for you in the link in the description that has a full checklist, a full 100+ video checklist. They're private, exclusive videos that show you everything you need to do to get set up with this system. So if you have a few bucks to invest, if you want to see the ins and outs, everything that we do, you want the products that we sell, you want the emails that we send, everything. And you can see, I actually have a video on here as well that shows you the whole process. Go over to the link in the description. Make sure you check it out because the price goes up about once a week, and I'd hate for you to miss the deal that we have on it right now. So go to the link in the description. Let me show you how this works before you decide on anything. So first thing that we want to talk about is driving traffic with bots, and we're going to be driving traffic to content. The reason why is because one of the things that works really well right now is short form content. If you've been watching Paul's videos, if you've been watching my videos, or pretty much anybody's videos that are performing well right now on the internet, you'll see a lot of it is short form content, 15-second, 30-second, 45-second videos. And it just works. And so what we can actually do is we can use bots like these ones to start warming up our account, start getting more views, start getting more rankings with our videos. And it's going to help us bring in more leads because the way the system works is we're driving traffic to an opt-in. And if you don't know what an opt-in is, basically it's email capture. And then what we're doing is we're automating the follow-up and we're closing these leads with automated follow-up. So let me give you an example here. So basically we have these bots running in the background, right? They're finding all these websites around SEO. And let me show you this. I'll just show you really quickly how this works. Basically with this tool here, we can click on new project and we can type in, let's say we want a website for or we want to find websites for making money online with bots, okay? So what this tool is going to do is it's going to start scraping websites that are listed for making money online with bots. See how fast that was? We already got 124 websites. Now what we can do is we can start reaching out to these websites and tell them that we have content that goes with what they talk about. And the cool thing about this is we're reaching out to website owners. These are people that already have followings. These are people that already have established websites and businesses. And so the ability to reach these types of people is even better than just a normal random person with an email, because these people are actually qualified people that are going to probably be interested in the things that we're talking about. And so as we start to gather these lists, we can start sending messages to them. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you the email capture system. So what I do and what Paul does and a lot of the people that are crushing it online are doing is we'll do some sort of short form video. So I'll just show you some of the videos that we've been doing recently. So top 5 useful websites, top websites for, side hustles. How did I not know about these websites? These videos do really well. And because they perform well, we can actually create content that drives traffic to something like an email opt-in like this. So this is a checklist that I own that just has a list of a bunch of different tools that I talk about that earn money online. Now, in a lot of my videos, I talk about this checklist. I give it away for free. And the reason why is because the more people who enter their email to grab this checklist, the more they get put into an automated sequence. And I will show you what that automated sequence looks like right here. So right now it is 8:45 a.m. and we have 266 new leads ready to get into our automation, start learning what we're selling. And so I have these different automations set up that we actually give you, by the way, inside of the program, in the link in the description, that shows you everything you need to do to make money, like all of the different emails that you need to send in order to close somebody, because these are the emails that we're using to actually earn money with. And by the way, let me show you really quickly, because I think it is important that you see that we are earning money. Let me bring open my Stripe account, and I'll bring open my PayPal account. And again, this is not to brag. This is to show you that it's possible, because I think there's a lot of people online that they look at this type of information. They go, well, there's no way I can earn this type of money. And look at this. I was not earning that much money when I first started. Last couple months, 138,000 on Stripe, 128,000, 99,000. Let me show you the last 3 months. Check this out, $300,000 just on Stripe. And that's not including PayPal as well. And so part of what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to show you that it is possible. If you're getting started and you've never made money online before and you're like, dude, I don't know where to start, one of the best places to start is with this system that we're talking about here, because it's something that I'm seeing brand new people with no followings, no subscribers, no traction whatsoever, get started with and very quickly start earning money. So let me show you this. PayPal here. We got $12,000 in the PayPal balance. I deposit this every, few weeks. Let's go to the activity, all reports. And again, I just want to show you this so that you know that it's possible, that it, like me, somebody that came from nothing. If you look at my older videos on YouTube, you'll see I was living in a garage. I wasn't making any money, to where we're at now. Look at on PayPal, $177,000. So between Stripe and PayPal, that's $477,000 in the last 3 months. That's insane. So what we do is we drive them to something that looks like this, a sequence, right? And so these pre-built sequences are things that we give you that you can load up. You just basically copy and paste these sequences, and all you have to do is just drive traffic with these bots and with these automation systems. But basically, we have an email that goes out every day. So here's the introduction email. Here's the, are you legit email. Here's the different, people that are having success inside of the program. So we have all these different things that we show people. And this is just for one system, right? So you can do this for anything. You could do this for tools. You could do this for services. You could do this for affiliates. It's the same exact process. And we actually have different sequences inside of here. Let me actually show you the one for our Shine Ranker tool. We actually have a tool that we sell as software. But inside of this Shine Ranker tool, when somebody goes to try out the tool, we have all these people that are earning money with the tool. And so we give you all of these emails that you load up and then you just send off. And there's over 20,000. Let me show you this. This is absolutely insane. Just showing you some more proof really quick. There's over $20,000 in sales in this program every single month. People that are taking the program and they're selling our products with these automations, and they're just crushing it. Let me show you last month. We got $9,500 in commissions earned. That means with 50% commissions, that's $19,000 in sales. And this is pretty much every single month. So the process does work. Now you kind of know that it does work. Let me show you a little bit more about what we're doing. So what we're going to be doing, we're driving traffic, short form content, right? We're creating some short form content. We're capturing emails by telling people about our opt-ins inside of the content. We're boosting up the content with the bots, and then we're automating our outreach with a follow-up system. Now, let me explain to you kind of how the numbers work, because one of the things that most people don't realize when they're starting out is they start selling things and they don't realize that there's certain numbers you want to look at. And so one of the most important things you want to pay attention to is something called EPC. So Obviously, you can promote whatever you want online. If you want to promote your own services, if you want to promote your own products, if you want to promote other people's products, I recommend you do affiliate because it's one of the easiest ways to get started where you don't have to do any of the fulfillment. And if you don't have a lot of time or money to spend, then affiliate works extremely well. But if you're promoting products that aren't performing well and you're not paying attention to these numbers, you're not going to make money. And this is one of the biggest reasons why people don't make money online, because they don't know about how this works. So, for example, with the AI Profits program, let me show you the one that we're talking about in here. This program last month made about, just with this one landing page, $40,000. And so we drove about, 16,000 visits to this specific landing page. And right, this is just one of the landing pages that we're driving traffic to. The thing that you want to know is that if you're promoting something online, you want to make sure that every visit you send has a certain value and it's higher than a few bucks. Okay. So if you start promoting any product and you start seeing like, okay, I sent 100 visits and I made, $10, your EPC, which is the amount of people who go to your offer, divided by the amount of people who buy it, is going to be really low. I think that's like what, 10 cents a visit, or what is it? $10 a visit. Actually, so if you make $10 for 100 visits, that's actually pretty good. If you make 10 cents for 100 visits, that's really bad. And so ideally, a good EPC is anywhere between $2 to $3 per visit. And so if you're not paying attention to these numbers, like for example, if I wasn't paying attention to these numbers and I was sending, let's say 16,000 visits, but I was only getting, $2,000, then I'm promoting the wrong thing. And so one of the things that we do is we make sure to give you inside of the program really good offers that you can sell that have higher EPCs. 2 to 3 is decent. In fact, actually, it's not even that great compared to the offers Paul does. Paul gets really high EPCs, but either way, using this system, you can promote whatever you want and you just pay attention to these EPCs that you're selling, or the things that you're selling, you pay attention to the EPCs. And so if you're not making a lot of money promoting one offer, chances are it's because your EPCs are really low. You have a low converting offer that you're promoting. And then all you have to do is, if you get a low converting offer, switch to something else. That's all it is. So let me show you how to build your first opt-in. It's pretty simple. What we're going to be doing is we're going to start out by just finding some websites that might be interested in some of the stuff that we're talking about. Okay. So let's say we want to talk about making money online with bots, right? So we can start scraping all these websites, which we already did. We already got 434 websites. We can double click on this, go to submission content, go to messages, and I can type in, hey, I just made a video about the top money making websites that you can use bots to do all of the work for you. And you might not get that many people interested if you only send out 400 of these messages, but if you're sending out millions, which we show you in the program, how to send out millions of these. And some people ask me, they go, how expensive is that? It really depends on the amount, the speed that you want and how much you want to send. I know people that send out 20 million messages a week. I know people that send out 100,000 messages a week. But the way the system's built is like, you're supposed to scale with it, right? So if you make $1, you reinvest that dollar. If you make $2, you reinvest the $2. And so as you start to make more money, you start to just put more and more money in the system, and you can stop putting money in whenever you want. It's totally up to you. But let's say I took one of these short form content videos like this one, top AI websites, and I can paste this video in here. And I could paste a TikTok video, I can paste a YouTube video, I can paste whatever I want. So I can put a subject line, top websites, put my name, put whatever I want. But the idea is you can have these running in the background. And here's the other thing. If you don't know what videos to make, or you don't know how to make TikTok videos, first of all, we show you how to make them in the program, but we also give you the scripts. We even give you the ability to repost videos if you want to do that. We try to make it as easy for you as possible to get started without having to do a whole lot. So if I click on send message now, yes, continue, this will start sending messages. Now, look, the success rate is pretty low right now. We got, 200 failed, 26 sent. But even with the success rate being low, we still just in a couple seconds already sent 45 messages about the thing that we're selling or about the content. And so there's also a way that you can load up lists of websites that have already checked domains that we know are going to be successful. You can buy pre-built lists. But look, I can't show you everything in this video. I mean, this is just showing you what's possible. I'm just showing you how it works. But ideally, as you move forward, the longer you spend on the internet these days, the more you're going to see everything that makes the most money is automated. And so the more you can automate your follow-up, the more you can automate your traffic, the more you can automate your email opt-ins, and you can start building accounts, the easier you are going to have, the easier time you're going to have making money online. So if that makes sense, let me know. And if you're interested in the full program, go to the link in the description and go grab it. Again, the price is going to be going up very soon. So we'll see you inside. Until we do, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.